Running Windows 11 on old hardware can be the stuff of nightmares sometimes. So in this video, I will show you how you can speed up Windows 11 and improve performance on your old hardware. So there are some tips, tricks, and some changes that can make your Windows 11 perform better. Some of them are the basic options which you might be knowing, but still I have included in this video. Starting with that. So let's start. The first basic thing is to disable all the animation effects. Windows 11 comes with a lot of new animation effects which help enhance the user experience, but unfortunately these effects can also slow it down on the older systems. So for making the changes, just go to the start. From there, just open the run application. Run the following command, that is sysdm.cpl. Now from here, just go to the advanced tab and then go to the settings. Now you will see a list of different animation effects. Click on the checkboxes for the effects you want to disable. If you want to disable everything, then it's better to opt for adjust for best performance, which will disable all of the animations. And then click on apply, then click on OK. And now the second thing you have to do is to turn off animation and transparency effects. For that, just go to the start, from there to the settings. And from here, just go to the accessibility. And you will see an option on the right side, that is visual effects. Just click on that. And you can see that transparency effects and animation effects are on right now. Just turn it off. That's it. Now the third basic thing you can do is to disable startup apps. For that, just right click on the start and then open Task Manager. Now you can see that on the left side menu, you have an option that is startup apps. And here you will see the list of startup apps that is running when the Windows 11 is booting up. So for disabling the unwanted apps, just right click on the status and then click on disable. Now after basic settings, let's go to some of the core things which you need to make changes for better performance. Now the fifth thing you can do is to turn on efficiency mode. Windows 11 W2H2 introduced efficiency mode, which can not only improve your PC's performance but also battery life. And also you can use this to enhance certain apps and processes. For that, again, you have to go to the Task Manager. Now you will see all the active processes and applications on your computer. Now select the application which you want to put into efficiency mode. For example, Microsoft Edge. And then click on the three dots on the top end. You can see the efficiency mode here. If the efficiency mode is available, click on it to turn on. If the option is grayed out, you will not be able to use it for that app. So you can try for some other apps. Now I'm selecting Olama and then click on three dots. You can see that the efficiency mode is available. Just click on efficiency mode. That will ask whether you want to turn on the efficiency mode. Click on OK. Now the sixth and one of the useful option is to enable automatic Windows maintenance. So for that, just go to the control panel. Just click on start. From there, just search for control panel. You'll get it here. Just open it. Now here you can see an option named security and maintenance. Just click on that. Now click on the maintenance section to expand it. Now you can see that my last system automatic maintenance was run yesterday. So there is no action required. So if you want to immediately start the maintenance, just click on start maintenance. To ensure it run daily, click on change maintenance settings. From here you can define when you need to run this maintenance and then click on OK. Now the next thing you can do is to disable search indexing. Search indexing allows Windows to provide search results quickly but can negatively affect the performance of your computer. If you are using an old PC, consider turning this feature off. For that, just open the Start menu, then type services .msc. You will get the services tab here. Just right click and run it as an administrator. Now just look for Windows search or indexing services. Now you can see it, you will get it here, Windows search. Right click on it and stop it. Click on stop. Now you have to restart your computer to make it effect. Now if you want to disable indexing only in certain locations, then open the start menu and then type indexing options. You'll get it here. Now you have to click on modify. Here you will see the various locations that are being indexed, and now you can click on the checkboxes to disable the location you do not want Windows to index, and then click on OK. Now the next option you have to use is to turn on storage sense. The hard disk or the SSD on which your PC is running usually contains a lot of files which you do not need. Meanwhile, you can manually find and delete those files, but Windows 11 has a built-in feature called Storage Sense that makes things easier by automatically keeping your systems clean. For that, just click on Start and then open the settings. Now from here, just go to the system and then look for storage. Just open it and you have an option here, Storage Sense. Turn this on. Now the next thing you can do is to change power settings. For that, open the control panel. Just type in control panel. Now from here you can see an option, power options. Just open it. Now here you will be able to see two options, that is balanced and high performance. Just select high performance. Depending on your PC make and model, you might see a different plans here. And now once you have changed it to high performance, then close down this window. Now another solution is to disable Windows tips and tricks. For that, just click on Start. From there, go to the settings, and from here just go to the system and then go to notifications. Now just scroll down for additional settings, just open it. Now just disable this option, get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Now if you want, you can disable other two options also. It is not as required as the last one, and then you can close down this window. Now the next option is to turn off game mode. Windows 11 has a dedicated game mode option that might be enabled by default. So you need to disable it for the old hardwares because it will affect the performance of this hardware. So for that, just go to the Start, from there to the settings. Now go to gaming. Now you can see that there is an option that is game mode. Just disable it. That's it. Now the next change that you have to do is to allow Windows to automatically manage page file size. So for that, open the Start menu, then go to the search and type Advanced. Now click on View Advanced System Settings. Now from here just go to the Advanced tab, from there to the Settings. Now from here go to Advanced again on the top tab. Now click on Change in the Virtual Memory. Then make sure that automatically manage page file size for all drives on. Just check it and turn it on. That's it. Now the next option is to do a defragment hard drive. Over time, as you continue using your PC, your files get scattered and fragmented. That will slow down Windows. You can also try doing so manually to speed up your PC. So for that, just go to the Start, type defragment. You'll get it here. Just right click and run it as an administrator. Now select the drive which you want to defragment and click on Optimize. And you can do it one by one for all other drives. Now the next option is to turn off restartable applications. By default, Windows automatically restart applications when you log in. Disabling this feature can improve performance on old hardware. So for that, just go to the settings and then click on accounts. Now inside accounts, just go to the sign in options. From here, just look for automatically save my restartable apps and restart when I sign in back. Just turn this off. That's it. Now the next thing you can do is to turn off background applications. Unnecessary system programs that run in the background can affect the performance of your computer adversely, but you can easily turn it off. For that, right click on the start menu and then click on installed apps. This page will show all the application that is installed on your computer. Now to prevent a system application from running in the background, click on the three dots on its right and then on the advanced option. For example, I am just clicking on Spotify, then click on advanced option. Now here you have an option background apps permission. It says that let this app run in the background. If you don't want to do that, just click on drop down and then select never. You can do it for all other applications you don't want to run it on the background. And the next, another important option is to disable boot menu timeout. When your computer boots up, it may show a boot menu, especially if you have a multiple operating system installed. Usually the boot menu appears for 30 seconds, but you can turn it off and log into the Windows quickly. Now for that, just go to the start, then search for advanced system settings. You will get it here. Now go to the advanced tab. Now click on the settings in startup and recovery. Now just disable the time to display list of operating system and then click on OK. So these are the various ways in which you can improve your performance of Windows 11 on your old hardware. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.